Hey, off-road adventurers! Are you tired of being stuck with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving into the world of the best off-road air compressors that will get you back on track in no time. Imagine powering up your tires with ease, ensuring you're always ready for the next rugged journey. Whether it's for your truck, SUV, or ATV, these compressors are game changers. Join me as I review top picks that combine portability, speed, and durability, designed for thrill seekers like you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which air compressor will ensure your next off-road trip is smooth sailing. Let's hit the road! Number 5. Seesii Air Compressor Kit is a high-performance, 12V portable inflator designed for off-road enthusiasts. With a powerful motor and a remarkable 5.65 CFM inflation rate, this air compressor effortlessly handles large off-road tires, making it perfect for SUVs, 4x4s, RVs, and ATVs. Built with advanced technology, including pure copper wires and ferrite, it offers a rugged, reliable performance. The kit comes with an extended 26.24-foot hose and a 6.56-foot power cord, ensuring you can reach all 4 tires with ease, even on larger vehicles. The Seesii compressor is equipped with an efficient heat dissipation system, featuring hollow metal housing and aluminum cylinders, preventing overheating during use. With a 50-minute continuous working time, you can inflate all 4 tires without interruption. For added safety, the compressor includes overload protection, automatically stopping the operation if the current exceeds the set value to safeguard the motor. The Seesii Air Compressor Kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, including off-road vehicles, RVs, trucks, bicycles, motorcycles, and recreational equipment like inflatable boats. The kit includes everything you need: the air compressor, extension tube, gauge, air release valve, battery clamp, connector, and tire pressure gauge, ensuring you're always prepared for any adventure. Number 4. JACO 4x4 Trail Pro Heavy Duty Portable Air Compressor is the ultimate solution for inflating tires on off-road adventures. Equipped with a powerful 3.5 CFM motor, this 12V air compressor quickly inflates tires on cars, trucks, RVs, trailers, UTVs, ATVs, and more, ensuring you're always ready for your next journey. Its rugged, compact design includes a 25 feet coiled air hose, an inline, glow-in-the-dark pressure gauge, and a hands-free tire deflator for quick airing down. The patented Lightning Air Chuck with an automatic locking feature provides a secure, no-air loss connection, while the quick release button ensures easy disconnection. This compressor is overland ready, with a nozzle adapter kit for inflating camping gear like airbeds, kayaks, and more. The long 10 feet power cord and 25 feet hose offer ample reach to all 4 tires, while the heavy-duty battery clamps ensure a secure connection to your vehicle's battery. With JACO's 3-year warranty, you can trust this air compressor for long-lasting, reliable performance, making it a top choice for off-road tire inflation. Number 3. AstroAI T6 Off-Road Air Compressor is a heavy-duty 12V portable air pump designed for off-road enthusiasts and vehicle owners. It features an industry-first air controller with a digital screen that displays precise tire pressure, allowing for easy monitoring. The air control also includes an airflow valve for more accurate inflation and a one-press deflate button for convenience. Powered by TurboRise technology, this air compressor delivers an impressive 7.06 CFM flow rate, capable of inflating tires up to 38 inches, making it perfect for large off-road vehicles, trucks, and SUVs. The 26.25 feet, 8 meters, extended hose and 6.56 feet, 2 meters, power cable provide ample reach for all 4 tires, ensuring no more moving around to inflate tires. The 45-minute continuous runtime ensures you can inflate multiple tires without interruption, thanks to the advanced materials used in its construction, such as pure copper wires and ferrite. Additionally, the T6 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including RVs, ATVs, motorcycles, and more. With the AstroAI T6 Off-Road Air Compressor, you have a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use solution for maintaining optimal tire pressure on your off-road adventures. Number 2. All-Top Air Compressor Kit is the ultimate off-road air compressor designed to handle heavy-duty tasks. With a max pressure of 150 psi and an impressive airflow of 12.35 feet superscript 3/min, this powerful unit ensures quick and efficient inflation for off-road vehicles, trucks, RVs, and more. Weighing 24 pounds, it features a durable hollow metal shell and dual aluminum cylinders for better heat dissipation, making it ideal for long, continuous use. Protection features include an autothermal cut-off switch and overcurrent protection to safeguard the motor from damage, while the anti-scald rubber handle and anti-vibrate rubber feet provide added stability and comfort during use. The kit comes with everything you need, including a nylon tool bag, 6.5-foot power cord, 26-foot rubber air hose with a pressure gauge, and 3 nozzle adapters. It's perfect for inflating tires, balls, ATVs, and other recreational equipment. With a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support, All-Top offers reliability you can count on for all your off-road adventures. Whether you're on a rugged trail or a long road trip, this air compressor is your go-to solution for dependable performance. Number 1. VIAIR 88P is a powerful and compact 12V air compressor designed for off-road enthusiasts and anyone who needs reliable inflation for large tires. With a maximum working pressure of 120 psi, this heavy-duty, gearless motor ensures fast and efficient inflation, perfect for trucks, SUVs, RVs, and off-road vehicles. It works on tires up to 33 inches, filling a 225/60/18 tire from 20 to 30 psi in just 50 seconds. The compressor includes a 16-foot air hose, a 10-foot power cord, and 3 inflation tips for added versatility. The solid brass twist-on chuck and built-in pressure gauge ensure secure and accurate inflation every time. Plus, the included LED work light makes nighttime inflating easy. Weighing only 4.75 pounds and housed in a compact carry bag, the VIAIR 88P is easy to store and transport, making it a must-have for off-road adventures. Whether you're inflating your vehicle's tires or sports equipment, VIAIR's reliability and quality shine through, backed by over 25 years of experience. In conclusion, choosing the best off-road air compressor for your vehicle is essential for ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Whether you need rapid tire inflation or reliable performance in tough conditions, these compressors have got you covered. Remember to consider factors like power, portability, and durability when making your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.